cerebellum. There are more neurons in your cerebellum, in this small brain, than the cerebrum. You guys have seen, obviously, the brain, right? The cerebellum just kind of hugs the brainstem under the occipital area. There are more neurons in that small brain than there are in the cerebellum, than there are in the cerebrum. Incredible. So we know that this part of the brain's pretty intricate, very important. It's developed in concert with the brainstem and the vestibular system. They all kind of develop together. They have a really heavy closed-loop neurocircuitry that works with the frontal lobe. It has motor circuits, but it also has cognitive and limbic circuits, right? You guys are familiar with the limbic system. Emotionality, right? Hypo emotionality all kind of runs through, we can trace it all the way back through vestibulo, cerebellum, frontal, all kind of working together here. The cerebellum performs a single fundamental computation, like a prediction or a timing, but it does this across its entire structure with different functions, meaning that same type of fundamental computation that it does to correct my arm when I'm going to reach my water bottle so that I'm not missing it, right? That's my cerebellum. That's working at the speed of light to give me error correction, to use my eyes, my feedback from my arms. It does that same level of computation for the cognitive system. It's a one deal thing, right? So as it's working and doing its computations, it's also doing computations cognitively. It's an amazing part of the brain.